My name is Phil Rosebrook Jr. I'm the president of Business Mentors. Been involved in disaster restoration since 1988. So as all seniors in high school do on spring break, I was cleaning walls and extracting water. Spent 10 years in the trenches. I sat in nearly every seat in a restoration company. I then became a business partner with my father in February of 1998. And ever since then, I've spent the last 25 years traveling around North America, helping restorers create a vision or a plan for their business. And then I help them walk through that plan and create successful businesses to help them achieve their vision. My first disaster restoration conference was RIA. It used to be ASCR. And that would have been back when they were held in March. And it was probably 1990. It might have been 1991. And have been to probably every meeting, every annual conference since then. What a phenomenal group of people, and it really is at kind of the peak of the level as where it's ever been. Great people here, great conversations. And one of the most valuable things I get from it is the ability to dialogue with your peers in the industry. I think many of the great lessons that I've ever learned in restoration did not come from doing the job, but it came from sitting around a bar after the restoration conference and just to share stories and being challenged by people who are in my industry and my business. And they're doing different things, and they're challenging me to run my business differently. Maybe it's about projects, maybe it's about drying hardwood floors or improving profitability, growth strategies, whatever it is. These are your peers, and some of the best in the industry are at this event. What a massive record turnout. This is the biggest one that I've been to, and I've been to a lot of them. It's been over 30 years, and the caliber of people are here. The people from different regions of the world, different areas of the United States, Canada, Australia. You've got everybody here, and so you just get this great mixing bowl of ideas and thoughts. And RIA these days is really the place to be to share with the best in the industry, the educational performance, the trade show, the sessions, the networking, top notch. This is a great event. Strongly encourage you guys to come sign up for RIA. Join the AGA. The AGA is making a difference in your business, in your industry. They're helping with profitability. They're helping get cash. They're helping solve problems. So now when you're sitting with an adjuster and they say, everyone is doing it a certain way, you actually have the ability to say, no, they're not. I have the industry papers peer reviewed, and that's supporting me and my business, improving profitability, helping me be successful because I've been talking to my peers. I have the resources from RIA and the AGA to help me solve those problems in my business and to really be aware of what's going on outside of my company. I think if you get stuck in your own local market and you think that's all there is, I think you're missing a lot of opportunities on what you could do, what you could have in your business, the things you're missing, the areas of success, the coming trends, the things to really take you to the next level. So strongly encourage you to join. And when you join, I strongly encourage you to show up at the annual convention. It's where the best in the industry show up to share ideas, to share stories, to make good friends, and to really enhance and scale and grow your business. So I endorse it strongly, and there's really no reason not to be here because it is going to make your business better. It's going to make you a better person. You're going to develop great friendships and just top-notch networking and people, ideas, and opportunities.